Open Adobe Premiere Pro and select the clip you want to edit on your timeline. With the latest 2026 update, masking has moved from the Effect Controls panel to the toolbar on the left. Click and hold the Object Masking tool to reveal the standard masking options, ellipse, rectangle, and the pen tool. Select your preferred tool and draw the mask directly in the program monitor. For example, if you are masking a face, use the ellipse mask and hold Shift to create a perfect circle. Once the mask is drawn, you will see it take effect on your clip. To track your mask automatically, go to the Effect Controls panel and look under Unassigned Masks. Find your mask and click the play button next to the tracker. Premiere will now analyze the motion frame by frame. If you prefer manual control, toggle the Frame button in the program monitor to create custom keyframes as you scrub through the timeline. Once tracking is complete, drag the mask from Unassigned Masks into the Opacity section. You can now adjust the mask feather, expansion, or invert settings just like in previous versions. This new workflow keeps your workspace clean while giving you more power over object selection. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe. Also, press the bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.